5.5-Cup microcomputer controlled rice cooker and warmer with tacook synchro-cooking function. 4-in-1 functions and 10 computerized cooking menu settings. 1.5 megameters thick inner pan, dimensions, 10.1 W by 13.7 D x 8.2 H inches. Easy to remove and wash inner lid and steam cap. Detachable steam cap for easy cleaning. Includes cooking plate and cookbook. Tiger Micom controlled rice cooker warmer comes with 4-in-1 functions, rice cooking, tacook synchro-cooking, slow cooker, steamer function, and 10 computerized cooking menu settings, synchro-cooking, plain rice, quick rice, porridge, mixed rice, sweet rice, brown rice, multi-grain rice, slow cooking, steam cooking, which allows the rice cooker to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously. With minimal preparation and the press of a button, Tiger's automatic cooking logic system actively monitors cooking temperatures to create the perfect meal. Unlike other rice cookers, Tiger's cooking plate is specially designed so the flavors from the cooking plate does not affect the flavor or texture of the rice. Other highlights include an easy-to-remove and washable inner lid steam cap, an easy-to-read LCD control panel, automatic keep warm function after the rice is cooked, and delay timer. The product's dimension is 10.1 inch W by 13.7 inch L by 8.2 inch H and the wattage to this rice cooker warmer is 641 watts. Top reviews from the United States. Love this multi-option rice cooker. Mostly bought this for the rice cooking and steam simultaneous option. Love this cooker. It always sits on my counter and I can leave rice in there on warm for 2 days and it still tastes good. Doesn't happen often since eat rice quickly and make enough for daily consumption. The rice is fluffy but not soggy, it's perfect. Steamer works well for small portions, even cooks meat, cut bite-sized. Made yellow curry chicken with potato and carrots same time I cooked rice. I was blown away. Go ahead, buy and try.